Today, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating a professional display. Let's dive right in. First, cut out the background of the image you want to use as background. Zoom in. Reduce the transparency to blend with the background. Change background color to replace negative space. Pick up your subject. Add a little shadow underneath. Take the pill shape and add your logo. Add a subject line. And highlight important feature. Place the product name at the bottom and increase letter spacing to cover more area. To show more key features and give it a modern vibe, we are going with callouts/speech bubbles and change their colors. Here it is, a professional ad post for your brand. If this video helped you, here's how to animate it.